Hi guys, today in this video, we're going to review the best 5 3D printers for a teenager that are available in the market right now. We will also discuss their advantages and all features so that you can find one that suits your needs best. Before starting this video, like and subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for seeing the new videos. Some items are given below with links in the description of this video. The best 5th printer. 5 BIBO 2-Touch 3D Printer. This is quite a unique 3D printer in a good way, mainly down to just how many features and abilities this thing has in store. Although it's not as popular as 3D printers like the Qidi Ender 3, this can definitely outperform some of the best machines out there. We definitely look into checking out this 3D printer as a potential choice for your EPS, ASA, and nylon printing desires. Its build volume 214x186x160 including layer resolution 0.5, 0.3 nozzle size 0.4 mm. Meanwhile, this printer has maximum temperature heated bed 100xe and also connected with Wi-Fi, USB. BIBO definitely had some issues at first with their 3D printer, showing from some of the negative views in the early days. But they got their act back together and delivered 3D printers which hold up well and print even better. Users who were looking for a machine that was enclosed, had a reliable heated bed, as well as a dual extruder found exactly that with this 3D printer. Many reviewers on YouTube, on Amazon, and elsewhere swear by the BIBO 2-Touch. Its features like filament materials, consumables, plana, abs, PEC, flexible, and also recommended slicer cura. Simplify 3D, repeat your host. This is operating system Windows, Mac OS X, Linux file types and object, AMF. The 3D printer is very well made, and they even have videos on the SD card, which help you set the printer up, and the instructions are actually good, unlike many 3D printer manufacturers out there. Once put together, people admired the quality that they could produce, especially once they tried out the dual extrusion feature. Another lovely feature that people love is the laser engraver. As you can imagine, you can do some great things with it. Many FDM 3D printers max out at a layer resolution of 100 microns, but this machine can go right down to a layer height of 50 microns or 0.5 mm. On top of that great quality, the control and operation is really easy, as well as being able to easily print ABS, ASA, nylon, and many other high-level materials since it can reach temperatures of 207°C. One user mentioned how easy setup was, saying that the hardest part was simply unboxing the machine. When you follow the instructions, you can get up and running really quickly. Now the 4th printer. 4FDM 3D Printer Kit Pyramid A1.1. This is a really nice printer that will make even large items with ease and speed. It has additionally silent printing with the new mainboard chipset, LCD with capable functions. That being so, this printer is very quiet, and you will have no trouble setting it up and getting to work. Fortunately, that is one of top printing big models efficiently at once shows up to large printing area of 300x400. This is the perfect machine for creative projects or models, and you can use it to make even complex designs with ease. You get a lifetime support offering as well as a 1-year warranty with this purchase. Good start for creative makers who like to combine quality and budget. The workspace is really large with this machine, and you can print many different kinds of things with ease with this printer. Upgraded to Titan Direct Drive. BL Touch available as optional add-on, suitable for professional enthusiasts of 3D printer. If you're looking the best printing creative items, this is the perfect printer for your needs. Whether we talk about the kits are ready to be mounted easily and quickly. Same Titan drive, silent motherboard, 300x300x400, big printing size and structure to CR10v3. For all that, this is a really nice unit that will take care of your every need. The silent printing option is a big help if you need to work around this unit and don't want to deal with a bunch of noise. This company stands by their products and offers lots of great features and functionalities that you will not get from other machines on the market. Even the 3rd best printer, 3 Longer SLA 3D Printer. Now we talk about Longer SLA 3D printers functions and features with completely details for the beginner. This is a high entry-level UV curing 3D printer designed with flexible shape and capable LCD display. In the marketing place, that is good and helpful for your business. Longer SLA is currently useful machine and can be easily to set up. If we compare to others, then it has higher accuracy results. However, the 3D printer has 24 parallel LED lights which also illuminate the dark points. These LED lights also mostly improve printing quality of any object. Especially, this software with multiple advantages independently developed by Longer. I've seen its output 100M slice file in 1 minute. After all, you can increase its speed by 3 times more. Overall, this 3D printer is a single-click generation of excellent support, upgraded cross-interface structure, and smartly add grid support with 1 click to guarantee the printing success rate of complex models. Everyone can easily use it with full display touchscreen, ongoing review, and observing of printing status. And it's hassle-free to level printing platform by 4 screws, which allows you to start printing job quickly. Longer SLA 3D printer has effectively level, totally metal body, solid bond, and secure temperature warning system. Lets we know about its warranty and service. The printer doesn't accompany drain. It has 1-year machine guarantee and lifetime specialized help. It has multiple interesting features and advantages. It has 2K LCD screen display. Resolution, high printing quality 2560 x 1440. 47.25 em pixel size. Major size of printing at 4.72 x 2.68 x 6.69 inches. Integrated with matrix UV LED arrays. Output 100M slicing file in 1 minute, 3 times faster. The second best 3D printer. Qidi Tech X Max. This China-based manufacturer has gained plenty of popularity in the 3D printers market. Qidi Tech aims to offer 3D printers at an affordable price while including many premium features. Qidi Tech X Max offers a large build area to print extra-sized models. This 3D printer has the ability to efficiently print with advanced filaments such as nylon, carbon fiber, ABS, ASA, and TPU. This printer should be considered by small businesses, professionals, and experienced hobbyists, though beginners can definitely jump on board. Its brand/manufacturer name is Qidi Technology, made with frame material aluminum. If we've seen its maximum build volume 300x250x300 with body frame dimensions 600x550x600. This is operating systems containing Windows XP/7/8/10, Mac, display LCD color touchscreen. Hence its main features like filament diameter 1.75 m with nozzle size 0.4 m, accuracy 0.1. Moreover, its maximum extruder temperature 300 C and maximum heated bed temperature 100 C has print bed magnetic removable plate including feeder mechanism direct drive, bed leveling manual. Its weight 27.9 kg, 61.50 pounds. The Qidi X Max is one of the highest rated 3D printers in the marketplace, and for good reason. Based on user experiences, you can expect amazing print quality, easy operation, and great customer support. One user has used their 3D printer regularly for 20+ hours a day for over a month, and it keeps on going strong. The packaging for the X Max is done very well with plenty of protective closed cell foam, so your printer arrives in one order. It is fully enclosed and comes with all the tools you need to print some great models. You also get to make use of the Wi-Fi function and their Qidi Print Slicer software to create your files to transfer into the printer. While printing hard-to-handle materials such as ABS, ASA, nylon, you may need to apply some bed adhesives to mitigate adhesion problems. ABS, ASA, nylon usually come out with great print quality, but models printed with Nylon X could be improved. With Nylon X, sometimes it comes up with the effects of delamination or layer separation at the bottom or middle of the print. One of the best things about this 3D printer is its amazing customer service. You may find other printers at a low price, but it can be difficult to find a 3D printer that has such a large build area and temperature capacity of up to 300 C. These factors allow you to print large size models with ABS and nylon without little hassle. With its 300 C max, nozzle temperature, and fully enclosed design, it is a great choice for people who want to print with a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, nylon, ASA, and many more at a high quality. And the last one, best 3D printer. One ANYCUBIC Mega. The ANYCUBIC Mega S comes really well packed to your home. Inside the box, there are custom-made styrofoam inlays that perfectly protect all components of the 3D printer from shocks and other external impacts. This entry-level printer is very easy to set up. You can do almost nothing wrong, and you won't have to wait long for the first print. The level of detail is also surprisingly good for this price range. ANYCUBIC has included everything you could need to set up and operate the 3D printer. However, what is immediately noticeable when unpacking is the stable frame. This allows the 3D printer to achieve high precision despite its low weight. Changing the nozzle may sometimes be necessary if it is very dirty or if you want to use a different diameter. There's a switch for the incoming voltage. The switch can be set to 220V or 110V. One step that many people forget when leveling the print bed is to calibrate/adjust the Z-axis. For this, you need a caliper gauge or at least an accurate ruler. If you really manage to set the distance everywhere with the paper, you will get a good print. In the beginning, you may need an hour or more until everything is perfectly adjusted. Meanwhile, the distance between the nozzle and the print bed is too small, it can rub against it in the worst case. Although the distance is too big, the filament may not adhere properly to the printing plate. The aim of leveling the print bed is to ensure that all points on the print bed are the same distance from the nozzle. This is exactly what the paper is for. You adjust all 4 corners of the print bed so that the piece of paper just fits between the nozzle and the print bed. The first step in loading the filament is to place the filament on the filament holder so that the filament comes from the bottom of the spool. The ANYCUBIC Mega S is an excellent printer for beginners. However, you will have to tinker here and there. For example, manual leveling of the print bed takes some getting used to at first. If we talk about its specification, its nozzle diameter 0.4 mm/1.75 mm and positioning accuracy x/y 0.125 mm, z 0.2 mm, print speed 20-100/s. Materials PLA, TPU, ABS, HIPS, PEC, wood operating temp, 8-deg-C 4-deg-C operational extruder temp, max 206-deg-C. Operational print bed temp max 100-deg-C. Its connectivity included memory card, data cable. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, PLZ share it, and if you are new on our channel then subscribe and press the bell icon for watching latest video.